Hi dear children, I hope you all are doing fine and keeping safe. Now that you all are free from your exams, I hope you will get more time to devote towards your activity and I'll be receiving the videos again. So this time we are doing semi-classical dance form. Before starting, let me brief you something about semi-classical. Okay, so now that you know what this form is, I'll tell you what we are going to do. As we know that monsoon month is going on, which is also known as Shravan Mas. So in this month, we all are supposed to worship Lord Shiva. So today I am here with a song dedicated to Lord Shiva only. So just take a look at the choreography first and then we'll start the tutorial.
जय हो शंकरा आदिदेव शंकरा तेरे जाप के बिना चले ये सांस किस तरह मेरा कर्म तू ही जाने क्या बुरा है क्या भला तेरे रास्ते पे मैं तो आंख मूंद के चला तेरे नाम की जोत ने सारा हर लिया तमस मेरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा जय त्रिलोकनाथ शंभु हे शिवाय शंकरा नमो नमो जी शंकरा भोलेनाथ शंकरा रुद्रदेव हे महेश्वरा.
Okay, so first let me explain you what we did in the beginning. So, the actions I did in the beginning are basically about worshipping Lord Shiva, the way we worship Lord Shiva. जिस तरह से हम मंदिर में शिव जी की पूजा करते हैं. So first, I lifted up the water, जल दिया, and then down, and then I picked up ghanti in one hand, the bell, and aarti in the other, and then while shaking this, I did 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then next I picked up chandan, rubbed it, and then I did this with 3 fingers, त्रिपुंडाकार, जो हम शिव जी को त्रिपुंडाकार लगाते हैं. So I did like this, and then I just join my hands like this, and then you get up, take a spin, and take your position. So from here, first step will be we'll switch the body balance from one side to other. First, it's on left leg and our right leg is bent, and then on right leg and left leg is bent. So with this, your hand movement is left and right. So it goes like 1, 2, 2 moves. And then Nitrasa pose. Body balance on your left leg and right leg up, lifted, right hand, right palm down, left above it. So it is like this. And then rotate your arms, bring your leg back, rotate your arms, join here up. And then bend your right leg and bring your right hand down like this. So here we are showing Gangadhar. So it is Jai Ho Shankara 1 and 2. Pause here. And then Bholenath Shankara 1 and 2. Then is we'll take 2 steps forward, right and then left. Now it's not a simple step. While you are stepping right leg, you need to turn towards right, and then left, you need to turn towards left. And with this, your hand movements are this 1 and 2. Just make a fist and open, fist and open. So it is 1 and 2. 2 moves, and then you take a spin, 3 and 4. Come back here. Then again, left leg bent, and both hands from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then right leg will go back and then come back and then in front and then come back. So this is the movement 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here you are only touching your toe. With this, hand is also going to move. So there are 4 movements. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then is 1, 2. Your balance is on your right leg and left leg is at the back. and your both arms straight this side, and then you switch side, 3, 4, and then from here you will take a spin, left hand here in front, right leg extended out, and your right hand here down. So this is 1, and then 2. While you do 2, your hand is up and you turn a little bit. So it is 2, and then 3 is you turn towards the back, 3, and then 4. You come back here, and then from here same thing, reverse side, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do the same hand movements, and we'll step, 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 and while doing this we'll take a spin. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Lift your left leg and just place it, and your hand will rotate and palm straight towards your left side, and you bend, and then right leg bend, and then you will join your hands like this, and then you will jump and come straight up and then down. So while you come down, your hands are here on your eyes, and then you sway 1, 2, 3, and 4, and from here slide your right leg like this with your hand, 1 and 2, and you just sit like this. Left hand is here and right hand is like this. It's moving like a wave. So here you are showing a flame. While you are doing this, you need to bend a little bit. So it is jo to knee, and then rotate your arms, get up, bring them down, lift your right leg and place it like this, and both hands like this, and close your eyes. Sara Harniya Tamas Mira. And then you lift your left leg and turn back, and your legs are open and your arms are also open. So it is 1 and 2. Come back here, and then 3 and 4, and then right leg crossing towards left with a straight hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hands like this, left down, right above, thumb. Take a right step back, 1, and then left, 2, and from here hands like this, 1 and 2, and you step in a diagonal position. So it is 1 and 2, and then 3 and 4. The posture of holding the Trishul, while Shivji holds the Trishul, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then just open your arms, sit, and finish it here. Yes, so this was the lesson for today. I hope you will try this. Do try this dance form. It is such a beautiful dance form, and yes, do send me your videos as well. Till then, you take care. I'll be seeing you next week again. Keep dancing, keep rocking.